Hello everyone. Once again welcome to my channel. All of you know that I am always sharing with you some inspirational stories with you. What happens in our life? We are always expecting everything should be go smoothly. Everything should be happen accordingly to your wishes or willingness. But it never happen, as you know that. There are some important factors always happen in our life. We should be ready to accept it also. And today I am just going to share with you the very inspirational stories are there, which are just under the very impressive title, and that is taking risks, the only shortcuts. As you know that there are some people, though people want to always keep themselves in the very comfort zone. They don't like to take any risk in their life. Those don't want to get the success and don't want to get the achievement in their life. They always keep themselves in the comfort zone. Yeah, there is the writer, yes, Devraj. He says that he is the author of the dozens of books, and he says that those don't want to be succeed in their life, they don't like to take a risk in their life. Yeah, risk should be calculated. As you know that there is one example I would like to share with you. The child of 1 year, he make the take efforts to stand up, and again he fall down, but he never give up to stand up, because after all, after just getting the more attempt, he once again he just become a succeed, and then he walk properly. So it happens with the also the child. The same thing is here. Those want to also learn the bicycle, to learning the bicycle. The same thing is here. It may be happen, you may also have that fracture your leg or hand. Sometimes it may just you may be the victim of the some mishap. But even those want to learn the bicycle, those want to just get over that control over the bicycle, they have to contribute themselves there. The same thing is here. The same thing is here. Don't want to take any risk in their life. They are not going to become a very successful. Yeah, if you are not doing something different, it means that we want to keep ourselves in that whatever we are. Actually there is nothing going to change in your life. If you are accepting that, then there are some calculating risks. If you are always taking the more interest, then you will be the very successful. Many examples are there. So in your life, if you want to also get the goal, whatever you have decided that, and if you have determined something to get the something, it should be happen in my life, that time you should be mentally, physically, and by the everything you have to be prepared. The same things are here. Same thing is here. Taking risk is the only way, to get the success. But what is mean by the risk? You know that, for example, those want to speak in English, they always going to hesitate to speak. Why it does happen with them? Because they don't want to take any risk. Why should we just throw our impression, and why should we just get insulted by ourselves by taking the participation in the communication? It may happen with you. You know that there are the people, those have the lots of time, they always like to criticize you, they always like to laugh at you, they are always stand there. But it doesn't mean that you should not take any risk. If you are also taking the more risk there, then you know that after passing some days, you will come to know that you have that great control over the English language also. So take the risk. Try to participate in the communication. It may happen with you at the initial stage, you may just a victim of the lots of mistakes there, but it will going to progress you. Understand? It may also going to help you to move forward in your life. So taking risk is the only way, but it should be very calculated. So keep it in mind. This is the only way where we can get the success. So taking risk. So there is also one thing just written here at the conclusive part of the story, and there is, if we have decided to play safe all, refusing to take risk, it is clear that you have decided that not to succeed. Luther King, Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, these are the founder members of the religious institutes. Those have all taken the great risk in their life. So these are the great example. Only those who risk going too far will find out how far they can go. A success and victory belongs to such a brave hearts only. So keep it in mind. These people have the great example. Those are the example always stand in front of our eyes. We have to just follow them. Nobody just become a successful without taking the risk. So risk is the only way to get the success. I think so all of you understood. Try to use it and think over it. Have a nice day. Take care.